this is important or can be important for you as a loan consultant when you're first starting out and building your business, right? Imagine having guaranteed income come in, right? Guaranteed income that you only close once. So if you close that deal from that small company to the lender that again has the contract, that small company has the contract with the large corporation, you close that today here in April. Let's just say that contract lasts for the next 5 years, right? Again, every month they're going to sell those invoices. You're going to get a piece of that come in to your bank account every month, right? Now, again, like I said, it's about a 2 to 3% of whatever invoice amount that they end up selling, right? That's the lender's profit. And then the lender is going to give you 20 to 30% of that, right? Um, so if you stack those, right, or you just find a very large deal, right? Sometimes, well established companies may have a problem, you know, getting a company to do a large invoice factoring deal that could be in the tens of millions. We have lenders in our network that will do well over $1 billion in terms of financing invoices or accounts receivable. And so if you stack 5 or 10 of those and you focus on that as a loan consultant in the beginning, what can happen is you no longer have to worry about income in terms of meeting your overhead costs or maybe even just minor bills, right? Because, like I said, a lot of these relationships can last many, many years. And with most of the lenders, at least the lenders that we deal with, as long as that introduction that you made and they keep that contract, you will continue to get a piece of that, right? I know some loan consultants, I've got some where I do $80,000. Like I've stacked enough to where you make $80,000 on repeat every single month, right? Now contracts do change up and down, so it doesn't stay 80 forever, but somewhere around there I get that guaranteed every single month, right? And not saying that you're gonna do 80,000, but would 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, which is very attainable with maybe 2 to 3 or 4 introductions, right? Again, guarantee income coming in based on a deal that you closed months or even years ago.